let's begin our tour. But, again, hindi pa tapos yung model unit namin, but pwede namin pasilip sa inyo. Okay? So, dito, sir, meron ng basic landscaping.
Yes, actually, may basic landscaping na. And I don't know if na-mention na ni sir, furnished po yung mga houses. Yes.
Yes, by the way, almost
Fully
furnished. Kasi halos mattress na lang. Later on, we will going to give them an idea kung what are the inclusion. But this one, kung sedan lang, mga Wigo,
Possible, actually.
possible,
Parang kasha
up to two
Pero
carport.
for now, it's one vehicle carport.
One vehicle, para at least hindi naman sobrang sikip. But it's more spacious. And meron na din siyang
Floating roof.
floating roof. May floating pala.
Yes.
Oh, sige. So, the door is located on the side.
On the side, yes.
But for the facade, if you could see, ayan yung facade natin, no? Ayan. Meron siyang static na may parang bricks type na...
Yes, modern na yung style niya. Modern yung approach, actually.
Yep. So, tara, pasilip lang natin na ongoing pa yung construction ng model unit namin. But, hopefully later, we could give you an update for the completed model unit natin na furnished na. Tara!